how do you feel about owning your first car?
I'm excited.
So when are you going to go get your learners?
Soon.
I'm the one driving it. Ha ha
Yeah.
Pretty soon I will be. Yeah, but you ain't got the keys right now. Everybody, what's up and welcome. My name is John.
I am Doe. Sorry, I'm driving at the moment.
Yeah, focus on driving. We have our new daughter.
Yeah.
We haven't figured out the name for her yet, but look at Jojo in his cute little seat. Oh my gosh,
It's covered
he's
at
so
the moment
adorable.
because we forgot to clip his nails.
Yeah, we don't want him going through the leather seats. Basically, we're gonna be showing you the ins and outs of this car. It is my new car and her new car. It's under both our names, and yeah, right?
Yep.
So I'll show you guys a couple clips of the outside and interior of the car. Of course, he's trying to be all cute to get me to hold him, but I'm not putting him up in front here. He's gonna get used to being in the back. I love you, Jojo. I love you.
He does not like to be by himself.
He doesn't like being by himself in the back. So yeah, we're gonna show you a couple clips of the car and show you a couple clips of the countryside. Just, you know, how it feels to drive in our new baby. It's gonna be so awesome, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please leave a like down below. You can subscribe to the channel to see more content.
Don't forget to comment.
Don't forget that comment on what you like about the video or what you'd like to see more of in the future on our channel. We love vlogging about ourselves and talking about me and my wife and how happy she is. So peace out, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed. This has been John.
And Doe.
And
Don't forget Little Monster.
yep, Little Monster. And we hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody. Take care, my John Does.
Take care of my Jane Does.
And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.